In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect email subscribers using WPForms and AWeber. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts by integrating these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have set up a seamless connection that will help you gather and manage email subscribers efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to connect WPForms to AWeber, and it's simpler than you might think. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, locate WPForms on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This is your hub for managing and customizing your forms. When you're in the WPForms settings, look for the Integrations tab. It's here that you can connect all sorts of services to WPForms, but for today, we'll focus on AWeber. Go ahead and click that tab. You'll notice a range of services, but what you need to do is scroll down or find the section labeled AWeber. Now let's expand the AWeber section to reveal more options. You'll see a button that says Add New Account. Click on that, and then you'll see another button that says Connect to AWeber. Give it a quick click. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your AWeber account. If you don't have one yet, this would be the time to set it up. Assuming you have your login credentials handy, enter them in and move forward. By doing so, you allow the two platforms to start communicating with each other. During this process, you'll need to authorize WPForms to access your AWeber account. This essentially gives permission for WPForms to send subscriber data into your AWeber account. A vital step for seamlessly growing your email list. Once you've authorized the connection, you'll automatically be returned to WordPress. You should see a confirmation that the integration has been successfully completed. In summary, you're now set up to collect and manage email subscribers using WPForms' user-friendly interface and AWeber's robust email marketing capabilities. This connection not only saves time, but also streamlines how you handle subscriber data, allowing you to focus on delivering quality content to your audience. Don't forget to test this setup by creating a simple form and subscribing with a test email to ensure everything is running smoothly. With everything connected, you should see new subscribers listed in your AWeber account as soon as they sign up via your forms. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to connect WPForms to AWeber, turning your website into a powerful tool for building your email list. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your online tools.